was playing there Zex Manata, the late great Chipo Chirorwa. Taking our time to 20 minutes to 12. Pastor Simba is in the building. Time for relationship goals. Pastor Simba is our love coach. He is the founder and programs coordinator of Strong Bonds Marriage Africa. He's also an author of a book titled The Marriage Handbook, and he is a pastor at Praise City Church. And today we are looking at man. Why does he do that? You know, you can see what's far, but then fails to notice me. I'm here. Why does he do that? That's the question.
Hi, Vikendi. How are you?
Hi, Pastor Simba. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Waiting for Father's Day.
For the gifts, the great gifts,
the gifts
that we have planned for you guys.
And you know, June is the month where we are looking at men's mental health awareness. Are you guys talking about that?
Yes, we are. When you're close to our hearts.
Okay,
yeah.
so that's the reason why we picked this series, Vikendi. Why does he do that? Because I want people to understand why men do what they do. But I think I've spoken to many women and they tell me, Pastor, I understand. So I thought it would be good for us to actually look into a man and see how they operate, how they function, why does he do what he does. Or how men function, we will not be able to relate with them well. So I think they're going to challenge because if you ask one lady and you ask the next lady, they're always complaining about the same thing about men. So there's something about men that we need to understand. You know, you can leave this man, go to the next, and you find them
they're the same.
Yeah, so it's important for us to look at that gender, intentionally and without judging the person that you're with. Because when you then get that understanding, you'll be able to live in harmony with your men. So that's where we're coming from. So last week, Weekend, you were not in. We looked at some of the differences that you find pakatimpe murume nemudzimai, and particularly looking at men. We're also saying kuti varume havataure mashoko akawanda. They just speak about 7,000 words in a day, and women 21,000 words in a day, and ndokusiyana kwatakaita. So ukaona munhu wako asinganyanyi kutaura stereki, it's not like they're being personal with you, but most men are like that. Though there are some that actually can compete with the other gender and go beyond 21,000 words in a day, but most of them, they quickly shut down. They are the ones to withdraw first. They are the ones to put up a wall, things like that, because they don't want to engage in conversations. But Isusu, we always encourage men to engage in conversations. The reason why we're doing these sessions is because we want you to be aware of your makeup. My shortcomings are very papi, so that you can actually pull up your socks. If you're a man of few words, it's fine. But there are conversations that have to happen in a relationship. So we spoke about that, and some funny, we also looked at some funny observations. Of course, these are observations that come from science. Kunzi say, you unemwana wako Weekend Rain, and I mean, you've been training Rain for a very long time in terms of potty training and all that. But fast forward, when he gets married, potty training. Why do you always miss? Why do you always mess up the flows and all that? So we were saying that according to science, what they tell us that the gland that that makes men point, it didn't fully develop in their brain. I don't know how far true is that, but that's what we're told.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's that understanding that will help you live in harmony. Nemwana wa mwene. Ukasanzwisa tuma differences itoto tuma weaknesses tungori nevarume tungori natural with them. You will not be able to settle down with them zvakanaka, because maybe go fight over things that are not a train crash. And remember, in marriage, what works is grace.
Yeah, true.
That's a big word.
Grace.
Yeah, tikashaya grace my relationships kana marriage ka.
Yeah, you give each other grace.
Yeah.
That's how I guess you can then do the years. Yeah.
The Bible actually says that for all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. Hey, by the way, Weekend, I really liked the message that you received earlier. I want to be friends with that couple.
And did he?
Please, I'm going to beg Lewe for their contacts. I want to be friends with
Definitely.
them.
She actually asked us to save a number so
Yeah.
that we take it offline.
Those are my people. Those are my people. Yeah, so we continue on that path weekend. Some of the things, particularly today, we're looking at nyaya yekuona, vision for men, because that is misunderstood by many people. Kuti murume anomboona sei, like we started nemvunzo kuti why is it that he sees way into the future but he fails to notice zvinhu zviri pedyo naye. There are many women that feel unnoticed. There are also women that feel iwo ndakusiya uri pamba, mumba munambotsvairwa, mumba mune tsvina, pamwe pacho genuinely tesina kutombozvona tine tsvina. Do you believe that?
Okay. Oh.
Yes.
I'm still not finding a problem.
Atisitomboziona.
Okay.
But you guys are gifted in that. You can actually see what is in the peripherals, really surrounding and all that. You can see that. And particularly for you women, because you can multitask. Kuti unogona kuita zvinhu 5 ka 1. Isusu we can't. Once I'm in that box, because taitaura last week to brains emurume, you can picture my boxes. Kana ari box in a certain box, it's difficult for them to actually move from one box to the next. They can move so easily. You have to bring them out of that box, put them in the next box, and then they function. But without pulling them out of that box, they will not be able to function in the other box. So that's how men operate. So pamwe pacho atisomboona kuti mumba makaita sei. I'm being genuine here. I'll give a very good example.
Yeah.
In a Pastor Gloria, takatombonetsana over this, and I know it happens in many homes. Kuti unogona kutodedzera munhu kuti Glory, masocks angu ari papi? And then Glory will be like, iwe simbaona maziso here, ingowana ari umomo kana kuti ari apa pa usimaona here.
Yeah.
But it's things that actually happen to most couples. And I'm being genuine because with men we struggle to see things that are close to us. But with women, they're gifted in that. But Pevarume, we can see further. We can see, things that are happening maybe 500 meters away. Because this, according to science again, we learn kuti kwanga kune, my ancestors edu vachigara kudhara. You remember you did history and you talk about the hunter-gatherers and all that. Pevarume, they were designed to be hunters. Kanachi designed to be hunters. Please, let's limit it to hunting for food.
Not women, okay?
I don't want everyone to become Mr. G. Mr. G, the trending one. Yeah, but we're talking about hunting. Back then, they would survive on hunting. So Pevarume vanga vari designed to see zvinhu zviri kure. They would see zvinhu zviri kure. And then vakadzi vanga vari designed to see zvinhu zviri close by, because vaisara mukeve. And mukeve ndo mamurumba mavo nevana nechichichichi. So she would be cooking, and at the same time achiona kuti mwana ari kuita sei, hasi kukambaira kuenda kure here, things like that. So they could see things that are in the peripheral. So likewise, even now, we as men, we also struggle to see things that are around us, but we can see way into the future. Unoza murume anogonera musikana ari ukoko ari kure aitadza kuona mwana rudonha patable paakagara.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but that's how it is. I'm saying this so that we understand our shortcomings, and then we can correct, so that we also understand how men operate, and then we can also give them some bit of grace. Good, okay, hauna kuona zvikuitika around you. It's not a train crash. You are like that. I'll give you another example, Weekend. Unoza, kana wakabata foni yako murume, ndenda kutengesa panapa vananditi, but kana wakabata foni yako zvezve, do you know kuti mukadzi wako anogona kuona zvauri kunyora ipapo asina kutombocheuka musoro kudai so, kumuvha musoro, anogona kutongoona zvauri kuita ipapo pafoni. Yeah, because maso ake even scientifically, because anenge ane tunhu tunoita kuti akwanise kuona like 180 degrees. Asina kumuvha musoro. So boys, murutobatwa, murutoonekwa, ari kuona zvauri kutaipa so, handiti, without even moving their head, because ziso rake, even the design itself is different from your eye. Ziso rako iwo rinongoona parakafocus ipa pari kuona. Kuti uzoona 180, you literally have to, to turn your head either to the left or to the right. So this is how God created us. We are different. So pamwe pacho, we have this huge expectation kuti murume wangu anofanira kuona zvese zviripo ezvanditika, but that's not how they operate. That's not how they function according to how they were designed. And we also move to issues even to do with colors. Makala chaichayo. varume pamakala tinobhaiza isusu blue totozonzwa nemi makutaura kuti iyo isky blue iyo iturquoise iyo chii totonzwawo nemi handiti but varume is just maybe 5 6 7 basic colors that they recognize mamwe aya totonzwawo nemi and that's how God created us. I'm saying this to help maybe a couple pamwe munombofighta over things like he's not noticing me handiti ndapfeka rimwe dress randasina kupfeka nezuro new dress iye haasi tombozviona because to him is the same dress raungapfeka nezuro because macolors angosiyana according to you, but according to him he's seeing one color because we are almost color blind to some extent. And that's the big difference that you see between men and women. So please, it mustn't be a train crash kunzwa unzi munhu haana kukukomenta pamwe pacho weekend I'm being honest today tokunotadza kutoona kuti munhu achinja hairstyle tokunotadza kutozviona I'm being honest we are not being deliberate about that kana kuti tiri kuzviita deliberately. No, we are being genuine about us. We are men, pamwe pacho we fail to notice. Am I saying that that's right? No, because this is your shortcoming as a man. Please look out for such things.
Or make an extra effort to see. Okay.
Of course, yeah.
To notice. Yeah.
Munhu akabva kusaluni anga achitaura the whole week kuti aronda kusaluni. Definitely they're coming back with a new hairdo. Notice that and comment hauna chaunobva handiti. But ukanikasazviona maybe unaundudza kuti uenda kusaluni ndotadza kuzviona. Please ngaisazove nyaya yekuti ndichaiudzwa for the rest of the year. Ndakutonoripoterwa kwapasta kunzi ndikaita hairstyle haazvione. Pamwe pacho zvoitwa genuine.
Oh yeah.
I'm a man. Pamwe pacho ndotadza kuona zvinhu zvichi zvima-environs angu. So basically what we're saying, Weekend, is that women are very strong when it comes to peripheral vision. They can scan the area, they can see everything that is happening around them. And men usually don't see that much. That's the reason why if you are going to even affair-proof your relationship, I'm now speaking to men, it's okay for you to accept zvinotaurwa nemudzimai wako. Because mudzimai wako anogona kuona people that are around you and you are not seeing what is happening. If you're a pastor, you are seeing everyone as mwana wesangano, you are seeing everyone as daughter. But your wife is able to see.
This one, no. She's not daughter.
This one is not daughter. This one is not coming here for spiritual whatever. She's on a mission. So we must then trust what our wives bring to the table, what they will tell us, because they are gifted in seeing in our environs. Saka let's accept that, because as men sometimes we miss the things that are closer to us. And apamenza so good we even miss masokse duchaichayo. How many things do we miss? And we actually want or prefer that our wives actually come up and remind us or make us see certain things that we are not seeing. Ukambonzwa joke ya inombotendera kuti murume anoenda pafriji wotobvunza kuti where's the milk? Mukaka uri papi?
Yeah.
But urimo mufriji mo. Aiwa boss kuona zvinhu zviri pedyo. Aiwa kure nesu. And this happens to many out there, to a lot of men, and that's how they are wired. So let's understand that. The focus varume zvakanyanya even zvinhu zviri kure. I also spoke about nyaya yekuti anogona kuona munhu ari kure. Opposite gender ari kure. That's why you have people like David in the Bible. When he was on the rooftop, you could see Uriah's wife. He could see, and men are visual beings in that way. They can see kure, because that's how they were wired to be hunters in a way. So what is the solution? According to Job 31 verse 1, even Job actually made a contract with his eyes. Akatora maziso ake ndobva amagarisa pachiya akati maziso, let's come to an agreement here. Let's make a covenant. And I made a covenant with mine eyes that usanye kunjenga, things like that. So it's important for us to be intentional about affair-proofing our relationships by making sure that we don't go for what I call the second look. Okay. Remember, tikuagreeaka kuti varume vanogona kuona, it is true. Tinogona kuona munhu achipfuura, because we don't have that 180 vision. handiti kaenda tutora nemadzimai. That's why chizoona mwarume achizoita kuzocheuka kudai sekuti atarise munhu apfuura.
Ndopanobvira kucheuka.
Ndopanozocheuka makuti akakunetsana handiti. And then you wonder kuti mukadzi wanga zvona sendacheuka because he had 180 vision handiti. Yeah, and 180 degrees. So it comes down now to actually make an agreement with your eyes. Okay, I might see, because I don't want to lie to you, Vikendi. People see, but going for the second look now, that's where the danger is. Ndopanozoita disaster. Appreciating uyo munhu ndaona munhu, it's fine, but kuzocheuka manje wakutarisa futi, wakutora 5 seconds uchitarisa, uchivheneka munhu, uchiskana munhu. That's the second look that we must avoid. And Job actually gives us a solution. He says, I made a covenant with my eyes. Dekwakuru church tevatati bata maziso ako unamati uti ziso. Don't go for the second look. So it's very important that we understand that. Let me touch quickly, Vikendi, on also one important aspect. Pevarume, we spoke about vision and how different we are from women, and how that affects our relationships and what we must do. Let's look at the hearing aspect. Varume, kunzwa kunogona mbotinetsa zvikuru. Ndakambonzwa mwachiranza varume havanzwe chichichi, things like that. But let me tell you one thing. This is also true in a way. Kuti kana mwana achichema, we are the last ones to hear a baby cry. That's very true. And I've heard this from women. They say, Pastor, pamwe pacho genuinely we can't hear. And it's proven scientifically. Kuti men nema high frequencies, my high pitch voice that's the reason why when you guys scream at us, we withdraw. We go into the show. Because us and high pitched voices, us and high frequencies to not teaser. So scientifically, but scientifically they say men struggle to hear high pitched voices and high frequencies. It's scientifically proven that we cannot argue with that. So maybe to give an excuse, that's the reason why it is. But again, like I'm saying, it mustn't be a reason for us to say, okay, from today going forward, I must actually put some effort, because I now understand that this is a shortcoming and as a man. So high frequencies, to certain men, to most men, in fact, they interpret that as nagging. Because Pampacho will actually have to define what nagging is. Because normally they prefer that you speak once. But then they interpret that as nagging. Because them and that high-pitched voice, them and those screamings, they don't work well together with men. So please, the Bible actually says it. It says that let your speech be always with grace, seasoned with salt. And that's a clear instruction there to us. When we are dealing with these men, they withdraw if you are going to be screaming at them. I'm not saying but today we're just talking about men. We'll talk about women on another day.
All right.
Yeah, but they don't want to be nagged. They don't work well with high frequencies. They don't work well with screaming. So that's why they withdraw. That's why they retreat back into their shell. So I'm just mentioning this weekend so that we understand how men function. And then men must also pull up their socks, and women must also extend some bit of grace towards our men. Having said that, please, let's spoil Vana Baba. Let's spoil Vana Mkoma, Vanani. Even the pastors, they also deserve to be spoiled. I know you were talking about us in the morning, but we deserve to be spoiled as well. And Tirano, but weekend akagara pachair ndakagara. Kubasa kwa pastor kuna privileges, isn't that so? Yeah. So weekend we end it here. I'm just going to give my contacts. 0773 000 0773 000. So send me a message if you want me to come and speak at your bridal shower. tinotaura futi kuma-bridal shower. If you want me to come and speak at your couple's event, if you're just a group of 5, whatever number, will come and speak to you. We are also having events. I've got what I call the Love Summit that is happening in SA in August. Please join us if you want to come. So there's just a lot that is happening. So please come through. If you also want to partner with us in any way so that we can impact the nation in the area of marriages and family, please come through. We can talk and we can partner and do great things for our nation, our lovely nation called Zimbabwe.
Thank you very much, Pastor Simba. Did you leave your number?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Facebook is Pastor Simba Woloza. Pastor Simba Woloza.
Fantastic.
You can also find me on Facebook there.
Thank you very much. This has been The Morning Galaxy. We do this again on Monday. And remember, tomorrow belongs to God. I am V Candy. It is 12 midday time for Now In Depth.
Now, Zim Papers Radio Broadcasting Division.